Cargo lashing is a critical process in maritime transport, ensuring that cargo remains secure and stable during transit. When a ship navigates through rough waters, the forces of rolling and pitching can cause unsecured cargo to shift, leading to potential accidents and damage. This is where lashing comes into play. It involves tightly securing cargo to prevent movement, which is essential not only for the safety of the cargo, but also for the crew and the vessel itself. There are several types of lashing methods, each designed for specific cargo types and sizes. Chain lashing is commonly used for heavy equipment and rolling cargo, providing the strength needed to hold large items in place. Wire lashing offers flexibility and is often employed for irregularly shaped cargo. For lighter loads, webbing or strap lashing is ideal, as it is adjustable and easy to handle. Additionally, turnbuckles and rods are used to tighten fixed lashings, while twist locks and D-rings are essential for securing standard containers on deck. Understanding these different methods is crucial for effective cargo securing. Proper lashing is governed by key principles that professionals follow to ensure safety. First, a strong base is necessary. Cargo should always be placed on a stable surface to prevent tipping. Friction is another important factor. The more friction there is between the cargo and the surface, the less likely it is to shift. It's also vital to maintain tight and balanced lashings. Uneven tension can lead to tipping or shifting during transit. Lastly, considering the angle and direction of the lashings is essential, especially in relation to the ship's motion. Every ship adheres to guidelines outlined in the Cargo Securing Manual, or CSM. This manual serves as a comprehensive resource, detailing load limits, approved equipment, the number of lashings required for each container, and the responsibilities of the crew. It's essentially the safety Bible for cargo operations, ensuring that everyone is on the same page when it comes to securing loads. The equipment used for lashing varies based on the type of cargo, weather conditions, and the duration of the voyage. Key tools include lashing rods, twist locks, turnbuckles, D-rings, lashing plates, and various hooks and chains. Each piece of equipment is selected carefully to match the specific requirements of the cargo being transported, ensuring maximum safety and stability. In summary, cargo lashing is an essential practice in maritime transport that protects both the cargo and the vessel. By understanding the types of lashing, the principles of proper securing, and the equipment involved, we can appreciate the importance of this process in keeping global trade moving smoothly and safely.